How to change settings on an Android device. First, unlock your phone. Now go to the Settings app. You can find it on your home screen or swipe up to open the app drawer and then tap on Settings. Once you open Settings, you will see different categories such as. Now let's go through some common settings you may want to change. To change Wi-Fi settings, then tap on Wi-Fi. From here, you can turn Wi-Fi on or off and connect to a network. To adjust brightness or screen settings, go back and tap on Display. Here you can adjust brightness, enable dark mode, change screen timeout, or change wallpaper. To change ringtone or volume, tap on Sound. From here, you can change your phone ringtone, notification sound, alarm sound, and adjust volume levels. To change security settings, tap on Security. Here you can set a PIN, pattern, fingerprint, or face unlock. To manage apps, tap on Apps Management. You can view App List, Permission Manager, Special App Access, or display over other apps. To check battery usage, tap on Battery to see which apps are using the most power. Tap on Power Saving and enable Battery Saver if needed. After making any changes, simply press the back button to save and exit. And that's it. That's how you change settings on your Infinix Note 10 Android device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.